Hello, creative mind. Cut this yoke with me in few minutes. So I've actually drafted the pattern and I've removed the pattern for the yoke. Now here is me. At this point, what I'm simply doing is to tape together the shoulder area. Remember, there is meant to be a shoulder seam there normally, but now I'm just going to tape it together. You can tape up to 1 inch, all right, so that it gives you that firm look by the time you are done with it. Now, once I'm done, the next thing will be to go ahead, place the mesh you'll be using on fold. Make sure you highlight the part that is meant to be for the center front and the part for the back. All right, now this is me adding 1/2 inch seam allowance. All right, so you add it all the way, and once you are done, you go ahead and shape it. Add the 1/2 inch all the way. Mind you, the 1/2 inch seam allowance must not get to that armpit area. All right, that's, you shouldn't add it at that part where you are meant to add the sleeve to it. Okay, now once that is done, you just go ahead and cut it out. Go ahead and cut it out. Now for this, I use 2 pieces for mine. So depending on what you are going to be using as a designer. So this is me cutting out the neck. Okay, now once that is done, I'm going to notch the neck point so that I understand, so it helps me to identify rather the midpoint, all right, on the shoulder and at the neckline. And once that is done, that is it. So this is it. I'm going to separate it. So I have um 2 pieces of it. This is piece 1 and that is piece 2. So go ahead. I hope you enjoy.